Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about making plural words in Turkish. Let's start. Words which name things are called nouns. In English, nouns are made plural by adding s on the end of words. In Turkish, you add either ler or lar to make plural. For example, gün is a singular form. How can we make that plural? We should add ler. Günler, günler. Arkadaş, arkadaşlar. How do you decide whether to add ler or lar to a word? In Turkish, there is a vowel harmony. If the last vowel of the noun finish with i, e, ö, ü, ler should come. If the last vowel of the noun finish with ı, a, o, u, lar should come. Turkish sometimes uses plural forms where English uses singular forms. For example, gün is a singular. However, iyi günler is plural. In English, good day. But in English, that is singular. Gece, iyi geceler. Turkish uses a singular form where English uses a plural. This occurs when there is a number before the noun. That is, if there is a number before the noun, we uses a singular form. For example, iki gün. The meaning of iki gün is 2 days. However, in iki gün is not plural. It is singular. Gün, not without ler. 10 araba, not 10 arabalar. 50 gram, not 50 gramlar. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. See you at the next video.